This concept was just a trailer that I'll be able to help my students to sharpen their mind that Bharat has abundant treasure of all the fields inclusive of Vedic maths that numbers can be played with so smoothly. Jai Gurudev, I am Seema Singh from Kanpur, from UP, and today just want to play with the numbers with you through Vedic maths, and we'll see how our calculations go 1500 faster than the normal mathematics. And when we talk about accuracy, the Vedic maths gives us the accuracy. Let us start with today. The topic which I have taken is squares of a number. As we know, the product of the number with itself gives a square of that number, isn't it? Here we have few examples. We all know 1 into 1 is equal to 1 square, which is a perfect square number, 1. 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square, which is equal to 4. 3 into 3 is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. 4 square, 16. 5 square, 25. 6 square, 36. 7 square, 49. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 81. 8, 10 square, 100. 11 square, 121. 12 square is 144. 13 square is 169. And we have 17 square, 289, 18 square, 324, 19 square, 361, 20 square is 400. Here we have 21 square, 441, 22 square, 444, 484, 23 square, 529, 24 square, 576, 25 square, 625, 26 square, 676, 27 square, 729, 29 square, 841, 30 square is 900. First of all, I would suggest you to learn all the square numbers from 1 to 30. See, somewhere we have to start with learning only, isn't it? Like we have learned alphabets A, B, C, D. वो हमें learn करना ही पड़ा. 1 to 10 basic digits learn करने ही पड़े. So these are the basic square numbers when we learn the squares of the number. So we should learn this. I would suggest that you should learn. But one more very interesting thing which I have learned from my teacher, from my mentor in Vedic maths is, see, like 21 square is 441, 29 square is 841. If you see, the last two digits of these square numbers are exactly same with 22 and 28 ka whole square, 84, 84, 23 square, 27 square, 29, 29, 24 square, 26 square, 76, 76. Only the first digit is changed, which is not a big issue to remember, isn't it? So if you learn the squares from 21 square to 25 square, 26 square to 30 square automatically goes. Now, what is why they are same? जब यूनिट डिजिट का सम जो है वो 10 होता है, तो then the last two digits are same. This case goes from the squares of the number from 21 to 29 only. Okay, so 21 square is equal to 441, 29 square is equal to 841. See, 9 plus 1, 10, 22 square, 28 square, 22 square होता है 484, 28 square होता है 784, correct? 23 square and 27 का whole square, 23 का square होता है 521, 27 का square होता है 729. I have learned like this only. I haven't mugged it, but this trick was always in my was always with me. Now, before we move ahead, let me tell you what are base numbers. So, what are base numbers? These are the base numbers written over here. That is, sorry, this is 10, 100 and 1000. They all are called base numbers. So now we are going to learn, see the squares, take out the squares of the numbers which are above base 100 and above base 1000. So above base 100 हम कौन से numbers लेंगे? From 101 to 130. इनका squares निकालेंगे. See, without calculation, how we take out, like 101 का square निकालना है. First of all, these numbers, they'll carry two parts, right part and the left part. 101 square. 101 is 1 more than 100. The right part, what we are going to write in the right part, 1 ka square. 1 ka square is 1 because it should have 2 digits. Therefore, I have added 0 to 1, 0 and 1. Now, what will be the left part? 101 is 1 more than 100. Therefore, 1 will be added to 101. So 101 plus 1, 102. And here the answer goes 101 ka square is 10201. 102 ka whole square. 102 is 2 more than 100. तो यहाँ पर क्या आया? 2 का square. 2 का square is 4. So 2 digits 0, 4. And 102 plus 2, because 2, it is 2 more than 100. We'll add 2 to 102, which will give you 104. 103 ka whole square, it is 3 more than 100. So 3 ka square, which is equal to 09. And 100, it is 3 more than 100. So the left part will be 103 plus 3, which is equal to 106. So the answer is 10609. Now, here we go. 104 whole square, 4 more than 100. So, 4 ka square, right part, 16. And we need not add 0 to it because 16 has 2 digits. Now, because it is 4 more than 100. So, 104 plus 4, which is equal to 108. Your answer is 10816. Then we have now we have 112 whole square. So 112 is 12 more than 100. So right part will be 12 square and the left part will be 112 plus 12. So the right part is 144 and the left part is 124. Now as we know by rule, the right part should have 2 digits only. Therefore, this 1 will be carried to the left part. 124 plus 1, 125, 4, 4. Similarly, 114 ka whole square. Now, 114 is 14 more than 100. So, it will be 14 ka whole square. And here left part will be 114 plus 14. So, it will be 196 on the... So, this is 196 on the right part. And 114 plus 14, 128. One more digit is there. Like one digit is more over here. So this one will go to left part and it will become 128 plus 1, 129, 96. Now direct 121 whole square. 121 is 21 more than 100. Therefore 21 ka whole square will be the right part, 441. And the left part will be 21 will be added to 121. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4 and 142. 4 is extra over here. So 4 will go to the left part. 142 plus 4 is 146 and this 4 1 is here. Now 123 ka whole square. Now it is 23 more than 100. So 23 ka whole square, which is equal to 529. And here 123 plus 23 is 146. So 5 will go to here and 146 plus 5 is 151 and 29 is here. 127 ka whole square, 27, it is 27 more than 100. 27 ka whole square is 729. So 29 I'll write here. 7 is carried over. 127 plus 27 is what? Like it is 154. 154 plus 7 is 161. So 128 ka whole square, it is 28 more than 100. So 28 ka whole square is 784. So 84 I have written and 7 will be carried over. 128 plus 28 will be 156. 156 plus 7 will give you 163. See, like how the calculations are done within seconds. When you'll practice it, you'll get it. Okay. Now, next is I'll explain you the numbers, the squares of the number above 1000. This will go from, for the numbers till from 1001 to 1030. Now here the difference is that right part will contain 3 digits. Why? Because it is, the base is 1000. 1001 ka whole square, it is 1 more than 1000. So 1 more than 1000, 1 ka square is 1. It has only 1 digit and we have to write 3 digits. Therefore, I have added 2 zeros. 1000 plus 1 is 1002, 1002, 001. 1007 ka whole square, it is 7 more than 1000. So it is 049. And 7 ka square is 49. We'll add 0. 1007 plus 7 is 1014. So here it goes 101409. 1021, 21 more than 1000. So 21 ka whole square is 441. They are 3 digits. So we need not add any zeros. Now add 21 to 1021. It is 1042441. So like this, you can take out the squares of the numbers from 101 to 130 and 1001 to 1030 very easily within few seconds. Also, now I am excited to break the monotony of my ways of teaching maths to my students. I am happy that I'll be able to help my students to sharpen their mind, increase their visualization and concentration. Now I have realized that Bharat has abundant treasure of all the fields inclusive of Vedic maths. And thank you so much, Chetan sir, for being so patient while explaining each and every concept. It is he who told me that numbers can be played with so smoothly. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.